Hello students. Today I am going to start the topic Dimensions of Business Environment from the chapter Business Environment. In this chapter we have discussed the meaning of business environment, features of business environment and importance of business environment. So today I am going to discuss the topic Dimensions of Business Environment. Dimensions means all the factors, forces, and institutions which have direct or indirect influence over the business transactions. General environment is the most important dimension of business environment, as businessmen cannot influence or change the components of general environment. Rather, he has to change his plans and policies according to the changes taking place in general environment. So it is very important to know the meaning or importance of dimensions of business environment. So student, I think meaning of business environment and dimension of business environment is clear to all of you. Now, major components of general environment. First important component is economical environment. Economic environment refers to all the forces and factors which directly influence the economy of your country. Economic environment consists of gross domestic product or GDP, income level at national level and per capita level, profit earning rate, productivity and employment rate, industrial, monetary and fiscal policy of the government, etc. There are some aspects of economic environment. First is increase in GDP result in rise in disposable income of people and further increase in demand for product. High inflation rate set as constant as they increase the cost of production. Decrease in interest rate is beneficial and increased demand for home loans and borrowing money. Passing of GST bill will affect almost of the all the business organizations. Demonetization of rupees 500 and rupees 1000 note recently hit the Indian economic environment. Role of private and public sector, rate of saving and investment. So there are so many aspects of economic environment. Next is legal environment. The management of every business enterprise has to obey the law of land. Therefore, it is essential for every business enterprise to have adequate knowledge of rules and regulations framed by the government. Legal environment includes various laws and legislative acts, administrative order issued by government authorities, court judgments, as well as the decisions rendered by various commissions and agencies at every level of the government, central, state, or local. To work successfully in India, the business enterprise must have detail about Companies Act 1956 or 2013, Industrial Act 1951, FEMA, Trade Union Act 1926, Factories Act, Industrial Disputes Act, Consumer Protection Act 1986, etc. There are some aspects of legal environment. First is legal policies related to licensing and foreign trade, Foreign Exchange Regulation and Management Act, statutory warnings essential to be printed on label. For example, packets of cigarettes must have statutory warning. And one more aspect of legal environment, laws to keep a check on advertisements. For example, the advertisement of alcohol products is prohibited. Advertisement on baby food must inform that mother's milk is the best, etc. There are so many aspects of legal environment. So our next component of business dimension is political environment. Political environment constitutes all the factors related to government affairs, such as type of government in power, attitude of government towards different groups of societies, policy changes implemented by different governments, etc. The political environment has immediate and great impact on the business transactions. So businessmen must scan this environment very carefully. मीन्स पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट में जो भी चेंजेस होते हैं हर बिजनेसमैन को बहुत ध्यान से केयरफुली उसको स्कैन करना, उस पर नज़र रखना है, अदरवाइज वो कॉम्पीट नहीं कर पाएगा. द बिजनेसमैन हैज़ टू मेक चेंजेस in his organization according to the changes factor of political environment. The common factors and forces which have influenced the Indian political environment are first, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan stated by BJP government. Skill India movement started by BJP government. Political stability encouraged business enterprises to invest in long-term projects. Present political system and profile of political leader, foreign policy of government, वैल्यूज़ एंड आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़. तो ये बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट हैं, फैक्टर्स हैं, फोर्सेस हैं जो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को इफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. और नेक्स्ट एनवायरनमेंट और डायमेंशन ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट इज सोशल एनवायरनमेंट. दिस एनवायरनमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट to know the businessman. Social environment consists of the customs and traditions of the society in which business is existing. It includes the standard of living, taste, preferences, and education level of the people living in the society where business exists. The businessman cannot overlook the components of social environment as these components may not have immediate impact on the business, but in the long run the social environment has great impact on the business. तो इसको बहुत ध्यान से स्कैन करना है और इसके अकॉर्डिंग अपनी पॉलिसी, अपनी प्लानिंग करनी होती है बिजनेसमैन को. देयर आर सम एग्जांपल ऑफ सोशल एनवायरनमेंट. द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ दिवाली, ईद, क्रिसमस, group Parv, etc. increase the sale of sweets, greetings, cards, etc. बहुत अच्छे से आप जानते हो इन चीज़ों को. There are some common factors of Indian social environment are: first is demand for reservation in jobs for minority and women, demand for equal status of women by paying equal wages for male and female workers, demand for automatic machines and luxury items in middle class families, the social movements to improve the education level of girl child, health and fitness trend has become popular, changes in quality of life, importance of place of women in workforce, birth and death rates and population, attitude of customers towards innovation, lifestyle, etc., education and literacy rates, tradition, customs and habits of people. इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट ये मैंने बता दिया अभी आपको. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज टेक्नोलॉजिकल एनवायरनमेंट. Technological environment includes forces or factors related to scientific improvements and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new way or methods of operating business. There are few examples of recent technological changes which have affected Indian business. First is companies have started using new ways of advertising such as CD-ROMs, computerized information, internet, etc. due to technological advancement in computers and electronics. Online sale of grocery items is becoming very common. Online booking of air tickets, movie tickets, not only booking, you can see your seat number. Due to technological advancement, customer can compare the fare prices of various airlines, hotels, etc. and select the most economical. Shift from vacuum tubes to transistors. Shift from typewriter to word processor. Shift from carbon paper to photocopier, etc. Various inventions, and scientific improvement. Developments in IT sector, technological advantages in computers, import and export of technology, online booking of tickets, rent, air, movies, etc. etc. So, these are the major components of dimension of business environment. Next is economic environment in India. Economic environment in India. There are three elements of economic environment: LPG, or you can say liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Liberalization means it refers to end of license, quota, and many more restrictions and controls which were put on industries before 1991. Indian companies got liberalization in the following ways. First is abolition of license except in few. No restrictions on expansion or contraction of business activities. Reduction of tax rate and lifting of unnecessary controls over the economy. Liberalization in import and export. Freedom in movement of goods and services. Freedom in fixing the prices of goods and services. Easy and simplifying the procedure to attract foreign capital in India. Next element is privatization. It refers to giving greater role to private sector and reducing the role of public sector. To execute policy of privatization, government took the following steps. One is disinvestment of public sector, that is transfer of public sector enterprise to private sector. Number 2, setting up of Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, BIFRB कहते हैं इसको. This board was set up to revive or close sick units. Sick units means जो loss में जाती हैं in public sector enterprises suffering loss. And third is dilution of stake of the government. If in the process of disinvestments, private sector acquires more than 51% shares, then it results in transfer of ownership and management to the private sector. And third element is globalization. It refers to integration of various economies of world. Till 1991, Indian government was following strict policy in regard to import and foreign investment in regard to licensing of imports, tariff, restrictions, etc. But after new policy, government adopted policy of globalization by taking following measures. First is import liberalization. Government removed many restrictions from import of capital goods. Foreign Exchange Regulation Act or FERA was replaced by Foreign Exchange Management Act or FEMA. Number 3, rationalization of tariff structure. Abolition of export duty, reduction of import duty. As a result of globalization, physical boundaries and political boundaries remained no barriers for business enterprise. Whole world became a global village. Globalization involves greater interaction and interdependence among the various nations of global economy. So these are the elements of economic environment in India. आज के लिए स्टूडेंट्स इतना ही. थैंक यू.